guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Colourpop for those of you who are new, and today we have a super fun video because it is a one brand tutorial. I haven't done those in so long, and today we're doing Colourpop. I just bought a bunch of stuff and decided, hey, why not do a Colourpop video, because I already had like a ton of Colourpop stuff, but I hadn't tried a lot of their face products, like all their newest stuff, and I was like, I need to do a haul. I haven't done a Colourpop haul in forever, so this is what I came up with. Obviously, Valentine's is right around the corner, and I did make one Valentine's look already. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and do so, because it is a girls' night out Valentine's Day look. Today I wanted to be more festive, so obviously I went with a pink and red glitter, and I don't know, a lot of pink going on here. The other one is kind of like that, but it's more fun. So I don't know, I feel like it's sexy, bold, and I don't know, a little bit different than what I usually do. So yeah, if you guys like videos like these, you want to see more one brand tutorials, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this Valentine's Day Colourpop look, then just continue watching. Alright guys, so as usual, my brows are done, so I'm going in with their All-Star Smoothing Primer. This also mattifies, and I absolutely loved this product. It gives you such a smooth application, and it smells really nice. And it feels gentle on the skin. It did not clog my pores at all. So, you know I'm super acne prone, so I did love it. Then we're going in with their foundation. I used it for the very first time for this video. So honestly, I have mixed feelings about it. I liked the finish at first. It isn't long lasting, so you really need to prime and set your skin. So definitely, if you're super oily, I recommend baking, because during the day it did get a little bit oily, mostly because I didn't set my whole face with powder. So if you're super oily like me, I do recommend that. So for concealer, I'm using the shade 18. It's still a little too light for me, but it didn't look that bad. If you're gonna buy offline, I think it's really hard, to be honest, to find a perfect shade for you. With the foundation, it wasn't that bad, but concealer wise, it kind of threw me off that light was like still fair. And I'm usually like a light medium, so that's my only opinion about the concealer. Other than that, it's very similar to the Naked by Urban Decay. So if you like that concealer, I truly recommend this as an option for a dupe. And then of course we're going to be using their No Filter setting powder, and I'm obviously baking with it. I actually really liked the powder. It's very mild, very thin, so it actually feels a little bit like that Pure Minerals, and I loved it. For our eyeshadow, I'm using the Rendezvous palette. I got this at Ulta, and I am obsessed with it. It gives me like gypsy vibes. I'm using Want You Back for my transition shade, and then I'm going in with Shake It Off to deepen up that outer corner. It's such an intense pink. Like, they've improved their formula so much. Super impressive. They've always been like super pigmented, but I used to experience a lot of fallout with their pressed shadows, and lately I haven't experienced that, at least in their palettes. I haven't bought any more of their individuals. And of course, we're going in with these Glitterly Obsessed glitter pots, and this is the shade Avenue of the Stars, and I'm not even sure you can use this on your eyes, so don't try it if you have sensitive eyes. I don't, so that's why I am crazy and I apply it here. I'm doing this for you guys. And of course, we're gonna apply some liner, mega liner, because I didn't have any liquid from Colourpop, and I'm using the BFF mascaras. These are so similar from the Better Than Sex. Sorry, but it's true. So it's a good mascara. And I am digging the color mascaras, which we're going to use pretty soon. But before, we're going to use Our Secret, which is that beautiful shimmery shade on that palette. With that, I'm just going to smoke out my waterline. And then we're going in with some Pick mascara because, duh, It's Valentine's Day week, and obviously this is a Valentine's Day look, so it needs some pink. And then, of course, I'm going to blend out whatever leftover powder I have, and I'm going to be bronzing and putting some blush on. I didn't have any blush or bronzer from them. I used to have, but I needed to buy some and I didn't realize that. And of course, for setting my makeup, I'm using their All-Star setting spray and some highlighter from the Becky G collection. I love, love, love this highlighter. Look how wet it looks. Yes. And of course, to finish off this look, I'm going to be using my beautiful Belle lipstick. I needed this in my life because Belle is my favorite Disney princess in the whole wide world, and this is the perfect Belle lipstick, I have to say. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to beautify with love. Sky,